Ahoy! So we're in cabin 5316, and this is on the aft. Come on in. We did this, this is like the same cabin we did when we were on the Sunshine, but it's a little bit bigger. It's only 3 of us, so it was going to be real quick because we need to go to the sail away. This is where Andy is going to be here for the next 5 days. Then they have the beds separated. There's 2 twin beds. There's an ocean view if Andy wants to walk over there. There's the pilot. Okay, come on to leave, baby. Quick. Up above, you can fit 4 in here, but we were so lucky because this is the bed up here. But we were so lucky to get bumped up to this. So, one thing that this one has is a refrigerator. So if you're in 5316, you'll be lucky enough to have a refrigerator. There's a drawer here. They have a stool, trash. They have 3 drawers.
Blue jars in the top drawer from the first one.
And there you have the plugs. There's 1 plug, or actually there's 2 120 plugs right here. And then you have those form plugs with the light switch.
Oh, and hold on, there's another plug that nobody knows about.
What, the one in the bathroom?
Yeah, but it only works if you keep the light switch on.
Yeah, do you ever use that?
Yeah.
Oh, because that's supposed to be for shaving and stuff.
Yeah.
The safe is in here. Yeah, we've got an old safe. They got that's the old safe. But
Yep.
the safe. They have a closet. We're gonna unpack later. So, but the shelves in here. That's what we should have did. Unpack.
Oh.
And more room to hang stuff. Last one are life jackets. There's more sheets up there and some hangers. These rooms we have they have lights that you have to manually turn on and off. I wonder if it's hooked to the room. But the other ones they have lights as well too. Yep, that's the overhead. So that's good that they have that. But I do like these. That's kind of different.
Yep, it's right by my bed.
Yeah. There's no plug, but it's light.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. The restroom is still the same. This is the same restroom like any other. It's pretty clean. Well, they got stuff all over. But it's the same as any others. They've upgraded and got some better curtains. But typical bathroom for Carnival. Toilet, and that is it. So there you have it. One quick run on 5316 Ocean View on the Carnival Sunshine. Sorry for the mess, but we have to go because we have a sail away to go to. So see y'all.